Ready to build your ultimate Minecraft world with friends without spending a dime? Let's dive into how to create a free Minecraft server that works for both Java and Bedrock players. First, head over to a free Minecraft server hosting provider like Aternos or Minehit. These platforms let you create and manage a server without any costs. I'll be using Aternos in this video. Click on the Create button to start setting up your server. You'll need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Now, the crucial part, choose your Minecraft version. Select Java Edition if most of your friends play on computers, or select Bedrock if your friends play on consoles like Xbox, PlayStation, or even mobile. Next, configure your server settings. Give your server a cool name, choose your preferred game mode like survival or creative, and set the difficulty. These options are up to you. Once you're happy with your settings, hit that start button. Keep in mind, free servers might take a little while to boot up. While it's starting, find your server address, copy this €, it's what you and your friends will use to connect. For Java players, open Minecraft, click multiplayer, then add server, paste the server address into the address field, give it a name, and click done. For Bedrock players, go to the servers tab, scroll down to the add server button, input the server address and port, give it a name, and click play. And that's it. You and your friends can now jump into your shared Minecraft world. Remember that free servers have limitations, like limited player slots and occasional lag, but it's a fantastic way to play together for free. Happy building!